Almost all unsaturated fatty acids contain only cis double bonds, which most often begin between carbon atom 9 and 10. Additional double bonds, if any, occur at 3 carbon intervals. Because of this, in unsaturated fatty acids, double bonds are never conjugated. Hello and welcome to my channel, Sam Biology Class. Friends, today we will discuss about the oxidation of polyunsaturated fatty acids in mitochondria. Unsaturated fatty acids having multiple double bonds are known as polyunsaturated fatty acids. Linoleic acid is a polyunsaturated fatty acid having 18 carbon atoms and 2 cis double bonds. One double bond is between carbon atom 9 and 10 and the other between carbon atom 12 and 13. Both these double bonds have cis configuration. Beta oxidation of saturated fatty acids has 4 basic steps. First step is catalyzed by acyl coenzyme A dehydrogenase. Second step by anoyl coenzyme hydratase. Third step by beta hydroxyacyl coenzyme A dehydrogenase, and the last step by thiolase. Each cycle of beta oxidation removes 2 carbons from the fatty acids as acetyl coenzyme A. In addition, it also reduces 1 NAD plus to NADH and 1 FAD to FADH2. It is due to the presence of multiple double bonds in addition to the 4 basic steps of beta oxidation. Oxidation of polyunsaturated fatty acids require 2 additional reactions. One reaction is catalyzed by an isomerase and the other is catalyzed by a reductase. Oxidation of fatty acids take place in mitochondria as well as other organelles. For oxidation of fatty acids to take place in mitochondrial matrix, these fatty acids must be transported into the matrix. The entry of fatty acids into the matrix is achieved by carnitine shuttle. First of all, linoleic acid reacts with ATP and coenzyme A to form linoleoyl coenzyme A. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme acyl coenzyme synthetase, which is located in the outer mitochondrial membrane. In this reaction, ATP is hydrolyzed to AMP and inorganic pyrophosphate. Pyrophosphate is then hydrolyzed by pyrophosphatase to form 2 inorganic phosphate. This is equivalent to the use of 2 ATPs. Linoleoyl coenzyme A then reacts with carnitine in the presence of enzyme carnitine acyltransferase 1 of the outer mitochondrial membrane to form linoleoyl carnitine. Linoleoyl carnitine then enters the mitochondrial matrix by facilitated diffusion through the action of acyl carnitine transporter. In the matrix, linoleoyl carnitine again reacts with coenzyme A in the presence of carnitine acyltransferase 2 of the inner mitochondrial membrane to form linoleoyl coenzyme A, which then enters the beta oxidation pathway. This figure illustrates the oxidation of linoleic acid in mitochondrial matrix. Linoleic acid is a 18 carbon polyunsaturated fatty acid having 2 double bonds. both of which have cis configuration. One double bond is at an odd number carbon atom, that is carbon 9, and the other double bond is at an even number carbon atom, that is carbon 12. Linoleoyl coenzyme A is the activated form of linoleic acid. Initially, linoleoyl coenzyme A undergoes 3 rounds of beta oxidation yielding 3 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A and the coenzyme A ester of a 12 carbon unsaturated fatty acid with cis delta 3, cis delta 6 configuration. This intermediate is 3-cis, 6-cis dodecadienol coenzyme A. By these 3 rounds, linoleoyl coenzyme A is shortened by 6 carbon atoms. In addition, 3 NAD plus are reduced to 3 NADH and 3 FAD are reduced to 3 FADH2. In these 3 rounds, 3 molecules of coenzyme A are used. This intermediate cannot enter another cycle of beta oxidation due to interference by the double bond at position 4. Both these double bonds are in wrong position and also have wrong configuration. However, an additional enzyme, that is enoyl coenzyme isomerase, catalyzes the conversion of 3-cis 6-cis dodecadienol coenzyme A into 2-trans 6-cis dodecadienol coenzyme A. The enzyme enoyl coenzyme isomerase convert cis delta 3 double bond to trans delta 2 form. Both of these intermediates have 12 carbon atoms. In next step, 2 trans 6-cis dodecadienol coenzyme A undergoes one cycle of beta oxidation without first step. This cycle produces one molecule of acetyl coenzyme A and the coenzyme ester of a 10 carbon unsaturated fatty acid. This intermediate is known as 4-cis desenoyl coenzyme A. For the conversion of 2 trans 6-cis dodecadienol coenzyme A to 4-cis desenoyl coenzyme A, there is no need of acyl coenzyme dehydrogenase because there is already a trans double bond between alpha and beta carbon atoms. Now this intermediate cannot enter another cycle of beta oxidation. This is because it has one of the double bonds which is at an even number carbon atom. However, the second additional enzyme known as 2,4-dienoyl coenzyme reductase reduces the delta 4 double bond. This reduction is NADPH dependent. In E. coli, 2,4-dienoyl coenzyme reductase catalyzes the direct conversion of 2 trans 4-cis decadienol coenzyme A to 2 trans desenoyl coenzyme A. By contrast, in mammals, this conversion takes place in 2 steps. In first step, 2 trans 4-cis decadienol coenzyme A is reduced to 3 trans desenoyl coenzyme A by 2,4-dienoyl coenzyme reductase. As previously mentioned, this reduction is NADPH dependent. In second step, 3-trans-desenoyl coenzyme A is isomerized to 2-trans-desenoyl coenzyme A by delta 3 delta 2 enoyl coenzyme isomerase. In next step, 2-trans-desenoyl coenzyme A undergoes another round of beta oxidation with the first step, thereby yielding one molecule of acetyl coenzyme A and the coenzyme ester of 8 carbons fatty acid. In this cycle, one NAD plus is reduced to NADH and one molecule of coenzyme A is used. Following this fatty acyl coenzyme A, which is a normal substrate for beta oxidation, undergoes 3 cycles of beta oxidation yielding 4 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. In addition, 3FAD are reduced to 3FADH2 and 3NAD plus are reduced to 3NADH. Now let us know about the energetics of oxidation of linoleic acid. When one molecule of linoleic acid is oxidized, then 3-acetyl coenzyme A plus 1-acetyl coenzyme A plus 1-acetyl coenzyme A plus 4-acetyl coenzyme A, totally 9 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A are obtained. In addition, 3NADH plus 1NADH plus 1NADH plus 3NADH, totally 8 NAD plus are reduced to 8 NADH. Similarly, during the oxidation of linoleic acid, 3FADH2 plus 1FADH2 plus 3FADH2. So totally 7 molecules of FAD are reduced to 7 FADH2. When each molecule of FADH2 donates a pair of electrons to the electron transport system of the respiratory chain, then 1.5 molecules of ATP are generated during the transfer of each pair of electrons to the molecular oxygen. So for the oxidation of 7 molecule of FADH2, we will get 7 into 1.5 molecules of ATP. From this oxidation process, we obtain 8 molecules of NADH. Now let us see if any NADH or NADPH has been used. Yes, in this reduction step, NADPH has been used as the reducing agent. NADPH is equivalent to NADH. So the net yield of NADH will be 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. When each molecule of NADH is oxidized by the respiratory chain, 2.5 molecules of ATP will be obtained during the process of transfer of each pair of electrons to the molecular oxygen. So from the oxidation of 7 molecules of NADH, we will get 17.5 molecules of ATP. Similarly, from this oxidation process, 9 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A are obtained. We know that when each molecule of acetyl coenzyme A is oxidized completely by citric acid cycle and then followed by respiratory chain and oxidative phosphorylation, then we obtain 10 molecules of ATP. Because from this oxidation process, 9 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A are obtained, so total 9 into 10 is equal to 90 molecules of ATP are produced. Due to the complete oxidation of one molecule of linoleic acid, total 90 plus 10, 100, 101 plus 17, 118 molecules of ATP are generated. Now let us see if any ATP has been used for the process of oxidation. We know that fatty acids react with ATP and coenzyme A to form fatty acyl coenzyme A. In this step, ATP is hydrolyzed to form AMP and inorganic pyrophosphate. Pyrophosphate is then hydrolyzed by pyrophosphatase to form 2 inorganic phosphate. This is equivalent to the use of 2 molecules of ATP. So from the complete oxidation of linoleic acid, the net gain of ATP will be 118 minus 2, that is equal to 116 molecules of ATP. Like linoleic acid, other polyunsaturated fatty acids can also be oxidized by utilizing the 4 basic steps of beta oxidation and the 2 additional reaction steps that we have discussed. Friends, this is all about the oxidation of linoleic acid. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.